Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on storage sense on Windows 11. So in order to turn on storage sense, you can access by click start and then click settings. Here you can jump into your systems and try to find storage. Click it. Here we go. Storage sense automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. Here I recommend you to turn this on to keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app file. And also automatic user content cleanup. Storage sense run when this space is low, and Windows clean up enough space to help your system run its best and clean up 0 bytes of space in the past month. This is my status now, and here you can configure run storage sense when during low free disk space. This is the default, or you can turn on every day, every week, or every month, and delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over 30 days is default, or you can choose never. You can delete manually 1 day, 2 weeks, or 60 days. And here delete files in my download folder if they have not been opened for more than, you can choose the day or never, and click you can run storage sense now. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.